What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today I'm doing a different kind of video. I don't think I've ever participated in a YouTube challenge before, but this one was right up my alley because I'm obsessed with Starbucks and I haven't had it in like 2 weeks since being home. Why is this man staring at me? What do you want? Anyways, so I decided to do this challenge. The Starbucks barista chooses my drinks. If you live in Maryland, I'm home for like a hot minute, and like if you live in Maryland, you would know that like it is so hard to find Starbucks drive-thrus, like at least in my area. They're all in grocery stores, so I'm having kind of a hard time. I just drove to one that said it was on the map and I ended up at Harris Teeter, so I don't really know how to find a Starbucks, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna find, probably gonna go to maybe Starbucks, maybe Dunkin. We'll see what we get. But yeah, I'm just gonna drive to the next Starbucks on my map and see if it actually brings us to a Starbucks. Okay, just wanna point out that I have driven to 3 different Starbuckses, and my 4th one, I finally found a drive-thru. The rest were just the walk-ins or the ones in the grocery stores. This one is like super crowded, so I feel like they're literally going to hate me for this. I feel like they're either gonna be like, what the heck, like you're so weird, or they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, yeah.
How are you?
Hi, good. Do you think that maybe you could just like surprise me with any 2 drinks?
You want iced or hot drinks?
Let's do iced.
Coffee or no coffee?
You pick, I don't care.
Okay, we'll see you at the window.
Thank you. He was like not having it with me, let me tell you. I don't know if you could hear him in the video, but he was definitely not having it. I did iced because honestly, like it is so hot outside, I think that I would literally like, I could not do hot right now. Oh my gosh, I was so nervous doing that. Ah! I didn't even give him a size. What if he gives me like larges?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Thank you.
No welcome. You want a receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think that they literally just gave me, oh my gosh, what did they give me? What did they just give me? Oh my gosh, we need to park right now. One, they gave me larges. Rude. Not that I said a size, but dang. Oh my gosh, we need to park literally right now. Right freaking now. What did he just give me? Okay, listen to this receipt. They gave me ventis. Why venti? Alright. A venti iced coffee with peppermint syrup and cream. Alright, that's normal. But the second one, a venti iced coffee with raspberry syrup? What? This has got to be the weirdest thing. I've never heard of it. Honestly, I've never had either of them, so I'm kind of excited. Okay. Let's try the first one out. This one is the peppermint syrup. This is like a, oh my gosh, this is like a it's like Christmas. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. That's the most disgusting thing I've ever had in my life. Dear goodness. Tastes like I'm drinking toothpaste. You know, what? Alright. Ew, I feel like I need to like cleanse my palate after that. That is so nasty. Why did I get venti? Drinks it again. Ew. Okay. We're just gonna throw that one out. Okay. I'm like super scared for this one. This is raspberry syrup. Who puts raspberry syrup in an iced coffee? These baristas are on something. Oh my gosh, I'm literally like gonna yak from that one. I like genuinely don't even want to drink this. Can I smell it? It's just like, it's 2 things that like should never be put together. Raspberry and coffee. you know, when I said surprise me, I meant like something fun, not something like toxic. They were literally messing with me. This is so gross. It's like not as, I'm surprised like I'm not gagging at this one like I was gagging at the peppermint one, but like, oh my gosh, I'm like gonna yak at these. Okay, so that was a fail. Shout out to you, this random Starbucks that just did me so dirty. I just cannot believe that they gave that to me. He was like looking at me weird when I was at the window. I was like, why are you looking at me like this? Like, what did you just get? At first I thought they just gave me like 2 iced coffees. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna get rid of these coffees somehow. I'm not gonna drink them. And maybe we'll go to like a Dunkin'. I don't know, that was gross. All right, so now I'm at Dunkin'. I have my freaking Starbucks cups chilling back there. I don't really know what to do with them, and it's really like sketching me out. Cause like if they fall, I will literally cry. But I just got to Dunkin', so I'm going to, I think I'm just gonna get one drink, honestly.
Yes, Roger.
Is there any chance you could maybe like surprise me with like any fun iced coffee drink?
So you want to surprise my?
Yeah, just surprise me.
So what do you like? You like a donut?
With any drink.
Any drink?
Yeah, a drink.
Okay.
Yeah, anything.
Okay, come.
Thank you. Hello.
You know, banana split iced latte.
Uh-huh.
That's for you.
Really?
Yeah.
That sounds good. I've never had it.
Just you try that.
Sweet, thanks.
With extra tomato. Just try right now.
Try right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
It might be a little strong, but you get the
I like it
flavor.
strong. Oh my gosh.
Good?
Good.
I'm really good.
Yeah.
Wow, thanks. There you go.
Actually, I was going to think I make a smoothie or something like that for you. But I say latte is okay.
I'm glad that I got that. It's good.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day. Oh my gosh, they're so nice. I tipped them. Reasons why I love Dunkin'. But they gave me, I keep forgetting to get a small, so they literally gave me a large, but look how freaking good this looks. Oh my gosh, I needed this right now. That's so good. He said it's a banana split. Oh my gosh, and they gave me whipped cream and everything. Truly amazing, Dunkin'. Thank you so much. That went from a really freaking bad experience to amazing. Honestly, so weird. Like, you would never think that like banana in a coffee would taste good. Obviously, you would think that like fruit and coffee is disgusting from our experience with the freaking raspberry, but no, this is really good. So if you're ever at Dunkin' and you like banana, definitely get the banana split latte because this is good. All right, so that is all the places I'm gonna go. Honestly, I would go to more Starbucks if I had them around me, but this is all I have. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button if you like what you saw. And yeah, I will talk to y'all next time.